Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt, back from our vacation. So I want to get back into making my videos. I really don't know if I'm going to go back to twice a week or maybe just keep it on Thursdays. I don't know if I've ever told you, my subscribers or not, but I am handicapped. I have been for about 17 years. I've had multiple back surgeries, a lot actually, and I have a lot of hardware in my back, and it's damaged all the nerves that lead down to my legs. So I wear braces on my legs and I use a walker all the time, and it's gotten worse over the last couple years, and I can't stand very long before my legs give out, even with my braces. I'm in constant pain, and I've been trying to find something that I might be able to sit on to do my videos that is high enough that I can do my paintings, but not so high that my legs dangle, because then they fall asleep and that's a whole other problem. I'm not asking for sympathy or anything. I'm just telling you why I might not be able to continue on Monday and Thursday, because it's just way too much for me. It's coming down to where I'm going to have to start using my wheelchair. I was in a wheelchair for about a year. I couldn't walk at all. And with God's grace and His blessings and a lot of therapy, I got walking again. So I am happy with that. So now that I've given you that spiel, let's get on with this painting. This is the one from my last video. It's beautiful. The colors are so gorgeous. This was a 3-cup flip cup. The gold in it is gorgeous. Shiny. I love it. So there's that. And with this one, I'm gonna try a wave. I haven't done a wave in a long time, and I've never done one with my hair dryer. So I'm gonna try with a hair dryer, and I've really never did one on this long of a canvas. So I'm gonna give it a try. And I'm gonna start, it's gonna start here and go around this way and have it come up this way. So this right here, I'm gonna put down as the sky. So we'll try just like right in here for some sky. Got some, it's turquoise, and I mixed some white in with it. Give it a lighter color, and also I didn't mix it real well, so it has some white going through it, like some clouds that might go through it. You can hear that. That's my dryer going off. Did some laundry this morning. Get that where I don't hit the canvas, but I don't have a very easy touch. Okay. There's with that. Got it all over the canvas. But that will be hidden, hopefully. All right, now I start with my colors. Hopefully this will turn out the way I want. Put it around like that. Have a lot of different blues and some different greens that I'm going to use. Hopefully they will turn out the way that I want. hard telling. You never know with these things. Tell until you start blowing it out how it's going to be. White, I just mixed it, so it's got a lot of air bubbles in it. Some white right up in here, I think. Come on, torch, what's wrong? I know you got it in, yeah, I just filled you. This is not good. Just 1 minute. Let me see if my torch should not be empty. Let me give it a shot of butane real quick. Everywhere. I think my torch has had it. Oh, there we are. Got it going. These nasty air bubbles out of here. I think I'm gonna have to invest in a new torch. Okay. Sorry about all the mess up, guys. Messing around with new video editing program, so please ignore all the little mishaps in this video. I'll get it straightened out sooner or later. the wave kind of went out the door, but that doesn't matter. You still can work on it, work on your composition if it doesn't work for you the way you started out. That is the one good thing about abstract painting. If it doesn't always work the way you want, like I said, I'd never done one with the hairdryer before, so that was an experiment for me. I've always used wet paper towel to do my waves with. So that was an experiment for me to do this way. And I was watching Mina Vargas, I think it's her name, last night. One of her videos. She's really good. You should watch her. And she started out with something and then she didn't like it, and she just kept blowing hers until she got something that she liked, and it turned out beautiful. So I'm just taking a thing from her, advice from her. Keep blowing it until you get something that you love. And I think this is pretty. I think this is pretty gorgeous the way it is. Something to wipe my hands off with. I hope you guys like it. I'm starting to get a little wobbly here from my legs hurting. So I think I should be done. I think it's pretty gorgeous the way it turned out with all the blue and a little bit of turquoise that I left up there. Give you a close-up if I can. Some cells and that little bit of turquoise right there. That looks like an island out in the middle of this ocean. I'll make another wave and I'll use my wet paper towel like I should have done, the way I know how. I envy Molly's artistry. She does wonders with her blow dryer. Thank everybody for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I think this will come out on another Thursday. If you all would leave me some comments and let me know what you think about every Thursday, or if you'd rather me try to do Monday and Thursday again, let me know. And I'll try my best to do what you want. But for now, I think I'm going to stick to Thursdays so that my legs can recuperate in between time. Leave me a comment if you'd like. I'd sure like to know what you think. And subscribe, please. Share with your family and friends. Always appreciate that. And for now, I'll say goodbye. And as always, have a great day.